Sweden finds itself in the throes of a mounting gang violence crisis, propelling the nation towards an audacious strategy, integrating AI facial recognition and drones into law enforcement. This bold move triggers a pivotal discussion on whether the European Union's AI law should play a role in shaping this transformative decision. Situation and approach. Sweden adopts an assertive stance by escalating its utilization of surveillance technology. The deployment includes an extensive network of cameras equipped with facial recognition capabilities, drones armed with automatic number plate recognition, and the integration of cutting-edge AI technologies. Goals. The objectives behind this technological surge encompass a multifaceted strategy. The primary aims are to deter criminal activities, identify individuals associated with gangs, and enhance the efficiency of police responses. Concerns. However, the ambitious initiative is not without its concerns. Privacy violations, potential biases in facial recognition algorithms, and a perceived lack of transparency and accountability have ignited apprehensions within the public sphere. The EU AI law and purpose. Simultaneously, the European Union is navigating its own path in the realm of AI regulation. The EU AI law is meticulously crafted to govern the development and utilization of AI technologies. Its core objectives are to mitigate potential risks and ensure ethical considerations are paramount. Key aspects. The foundation of the EU AI law rests on key principles: transparency, accountability, human oversight, and the integration of fairness into algorithmic processes. Potential impact. Crucially, the EU AI law could serve as a guiding framework for Sweden's AI initiatives. This regulatory landscape may ensure adherence to ethical standards and offer remedies for identified concerns. Considering that the EU AI law provides safeguards against potential harms of AI technologies, enhances public trust and acceptance of AI solutions, promotes responsible development and use of AI across the EU. Arguments against EU AI law could hinder innovation and limit the potential benefits of AI, might be too bureaucratic and complex to implement effectively in desperate fight against crime. 3. Sweden already maintains its laws for data privacy and security. It should adapt it to the EU regulations. In conclusion, as Sweden ventures into the realm of AI to combat gang violence, it faces a complex ethical terrain. While the technology holds promise, addressing privacy and fairness concerns becomes paramount. The EU AI law emerges as a potential framework for ethical AI use, necessitating a thoughtful evaluation of its benefits and drawbacks before ushering in new regulations.